welcome to Tech Diet. Let's dive into our today's problem. Number of employees who met the target. It says there are n employees in a company numbered 0 to n minus 1. Each employee I has worked 4 hours I in the company. The company requires each employee to work for at least target hours. You are given the zero indexed array of the non-negative integer hours of length n, and we'll be given a non-negative integer target. So we need to find how many employees are there who has worked at least target hours. So here our target is 2. So I see this employee has worked for 2 hours. This employee has worked. This employee has worked. So total of 3 employees have worked for 2 hours, at least 2 hours. So we return the count as 3. So that's a pretty simple problem. Let's dive into our solution. Let's say we have this number of employees is initially, let's say, 0, and then we'll just traverse through this hours array. If this r is greater than and equal to target, we'll say the number of employees. We have found the employee who has completed its target, and after that all the entries are iterated. We'll just return the total number of employees who has met the target. So let's just run it, use the example test cases, hit submit. Yep, it's accepted. Thank you.